Welcome back. In this video, you will learn how to send a subscriber from MailerLite's group to MailChimp automatically. So guys, if you are looking for a way to transition from MailerLite to MailChimp, or you want to synchronize these two tools for uplifting your email marketing game, this automation video is for you. Guys, MailerLite and MailChimp both are great email marketing tools, and here we are going to integrate them both in such a way that whenever you add a subscriber in MailerLite in a group, that subscriber will be added to MailChimp automatically. And guys, the best part is we can set up this automation without any coding super simply. So without any further ado, let's get started. To set up our workflow, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool. And to reach here, guys, you can use the link that I have pasted in the description. From here, you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month. Okay, so guys, just sign up right now from the given link, and after that, you can sign in to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And from this dashboard, guys, click on this Create Workflow button. Here, you can provide a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give a name here. So guys, here I have given the name to this workflow. Now I'm clicking on Create button and you can see the workflow page is loading up. And on this page, guys, you will find the basic building blocks of our automation, which are the trigger and the actions. So guys, trigger is that event which starts the workflow, and the actions are the automated responses of the trigger. In our use case, guys, adding a subscriber in MailerLite's group is going to trigger this workflow, and the automated action would be to send that subscriber of a particular group to MailChimp. Okay, so guys, here when you click on the trigger window, it will ask you to choose the trigger application. So in our use case, the trigger application is MailerLite. So search for MailerLite, and here I'm using the classic version of MailerLite. You can use updated version as well. Okay, the trigger event would be a new subscriber getting created. Select this subscriber created option and click on this connect button, and from here select add new connection, and here it will ask you to enter the API key of MailerLite account. So guys, you can get this key from the integration section of MailerLite account. So let me show you that. This is my MailerLite application, and here you can see from on the top right corner we have this profile icon. From here, open this integrations tab. Okay, and under integrations page you will find this developer API option. Click on use button, and here's the API key that we need. You can regenerate this also. I'm just copying this key and pasting it here like this, and then click on save, and you will be connected with MailerLite like this. Okay, right, after that click on save and send test request button, and it will start showing waiting for the response of this connection that you have created. This means now we can perform a test submission. Test submission means now I am going to manually create a test subscriber in MailerLite, and I'm going to add that subscriber into some groups, and as I'm going to add it, the data will be captured here. So let us do that. So guys, here is my subscribers segment. Here guys, you can create a new subscriber. From here, click on add subscriber button. Okay, then click on add single subscriber, and here you can provide any email address to the subscriber. So I'm providing the email address as testemail@pablytips.com. So guys, I have filled the details like this. Name is new subscriber, company, country, product name. Okay, and here it is asking to select the group in which you want to add the subscriber. So guys, I am going to select multiple groups here. You can add this subscriber in multiple groups, but guys, here I have a group which named as MailChimp as well. So guys, I want here is that whenever any subscriber is added in this group, then only I want to send the subscriber to MailChimp account. Okay, so you can select multiple groups. Let me just select multiple groups here. So I have selected 3 groups, you can see. Okay, I've selected 3 groups, but one of the groups is showing MailChimp. So even if the subscriber is added in multiple groups, if it is added in MailChimp, I want to send it to MailChimp application. Okay, Here I'm clicking on add subscriber button. Okay, and you can see it's showing subscriber added successfully. Let's check in our workflow if we got the data captured. So guys, here you can see we have received the response here. It's showing the event type as subscriber.create. And here when you scroll down, you will find the name. First name is new, last name is subscriber, the country, and the details of related to the subscriber like the email address and product is fetched here like this. Okay, so we have received the details. Now guys, I'm going to see in which group this subscriber is present. Here it is not showing the details of the group. Okay, it is just showing the details of the subscriber, but it is not showing in which groups this subscriber is added. So here I'm going to use this action window, and here I'm going to connect with MailerLite again. Okay, and here I'm going to use the action event as, let me show you. Here I'm going to use the action event as get groups subscriber belongs to. So it is going to show you how many groups the subscriber is belongs to. So here select this option, then click on connect button. So we are already connected with MailerLite, so I'm going to use that existing saved connection. For this, I am selecting existing option, and here I'm clicking on save, and I'll be connected with MailerLite again. No need to fill the API key every time. Okay, and here it is asking the subscriber's ID or the email address. So guys, here you can see we have received the email address here of the subscriber. So I'm going to map this email label here in this field. So to map it, just click on this map button, toggle this map button to on, then erase this help text. Okay, and here you can see as I have clicked here in this field, the trigger is appearing in the drop down, and when you click on it, you will find the data right here. So from here, just map the email value, okay, label here like this. Okay, and guys, after that, we can click on save and send test request button to see how many groups are there belonging to this subscriber, or in how many groups this subscriber belongs to. But guys, before clicking here, just toggle this simple response button to off, okay, to get the response in advanced format. Why we are doing this, I'll tell you. Just click on save and send test request button, and here you can see guys, we have received the response in this array of data format like this. Okay, so we have toggled this off to get the data in this format, because we want that the groups should contain in a single label. Okay, we have received only one response label here, and we have all the information of the groups inside this label only, and we wanted a single label. Because after this step, I'm going to click on this plus icon to add one more action step, and in this action step, I'm going to use a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called filter. So with the help of filter, we are going to filter out the subscribers who are belonging to the MailChimp group. Okay, we have a group here called as MailChimp. I have already shown you that. Okay, and I want that whenever the subscriber is added in MailChimp group, then only continue the workflow and send the data to MailChimp application. Okay, so here guys, to apply filter, you can see filter here, just click on it, and then it will ask you to select the label. So here we can only select a single label. So that's why we have created a single label response here. Now we can map it here directly. Just click on this select label option, and from the last step, map the response label like this. And in the filter type, select the filter type as contains, and here in the value, just put the name of the group. So the name of the group was MailChimp. Okay, so this means this filter is going to check if this response label contains this word, and if it matches true, then the workflow will continue and send the data to other applications. So click on save and send test request button to check this condition. And here you can see guys, started showing the status is success, the condition is true. Okay, so when this condition matches true, we want to add the subscriber in MailChimp. So just click here on this plus icon to add one more action window, and here we are going to connect with MailChimp application. So search for MailChimp, select it. Okay, then select the action event as add new member with custom fields. So with the help of this option, we can add a subscriber. So just click on connect button. From here select add new connection, and here it will ask you to enter the token of a MailChimp account in the data center's name. So to get the data center name, you can just open your MailChimp account like this, and here on the top search bar you will find the URL of your MailChimp account, and from here after this leading HTTP address and before this .admin.mailchimp.com you can find this data center's name. So US6 is my data center. You can find yours and fill it here in the data center field like this. Okay, all right. And to get this token, just open the MailChimp account again, and from the profile icon you can open let's see the instructions, extras tab. Okay, let me show you the extras tab. So guys, I have clicked on the profile option, then here we have this extras option. Click on extras and then click on API keys, and here you will find your API key, or you can generate a new key like this as well. So we have already many keys generated. Let me just create a new one. Okay, so here you can see create a key button is here. Click on it. Here you can provide a name to this key. I am providing this name testing, and here I am clicking on generate key. This is the key that we want. Just click on copy to clipboard and paste the key here in the token field, and then click on save, and you will be connected with MailChimp. Okay, so we are now connected, and here it is asking to choose the audience list. So guys, in MailChimp, let me show you the audience dashboard. This is it, and here you can see the list name Pabbly Connect. I have only one list here, so it is auto populated, and here it is started asking to enter the email address. So just click here, and from the first tab just map the email address of a newly added subscriber from MailerLite. Okay, you can provide tags as well if you want. Right now I'm leaving it blank. Select the status as subscriber or unsubscribed. I'm selecting subscribed. You can provide interest. You can fill the first name from the first step. Let me map the first name. You can enter the last name. Let me see the last name here. This is the last name label, and the mobile number if you have. So I think we do not have the mobile number. Okay, so you can leave it blank. So I have filled only the required things. All fields are not compulsory, so I'm leaving those fields blank just to show you the demo. I'm going to click on save and send test request button, and a new subscriber will be added inside this list in MailChimp. Okay, so currently we have 9 subscribers here in MailChimp account. So let me just click on save and send test request button, and we will see if we got a new subscriber added. So guys, we have received this response, you can see, and let's check in MailChimp. I am going to refresh the contact section, and here you can see guys started showing your audience has 10 contacts now. Okay, so one more is added, and here you can see the new one is this. New subscriber is the name, and this is the same person I have mapped here, new subscriber, with the same email address. So guys, this is how it is going to work, and we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, it is going to trigger whenever you are going to add any new subscriber in MailerLite in the group which is known as MailChimp, and this workflow is going to automatically check if the subscriber is present in that group or not, and if it's present in the group, it will send it to your MailChimp account as well. And guys, I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.